What is good, everybody? It is spooky season and I'm coming in with a bang. So it's the scary teddy bear glam. So of course we're going to start out with our brows. I'm using my LA Girl pencils in black and brown. Of course, black for the tail, the brown for the beginning. We're going to buff it out, and then we have to conceal them, the LA Girl Pro concealers in Toffee for the bottom and Beautiful Bronze for the top. I'm going to buff it out so it's not so harsh. I'm going to add Toffee on the lid, okay, as a base. And then we're going to go in with the Juvia's palette, the Saharan 2, and use the burgundy and the tan in there. I'm going to tap on the tan first at the top, and then buff it out, blend it out. And then we're going to go in with the burgundy after that, right underneath, and do the same. Now we're going to take a blending brush and then blend the edge of the harsh lines. Now I'm taking a brush and we're going to cut that crease. It's going to be a half cut crease. Now I'm only doing one eye for this look because the other side is going to have something else on it. So only one eye we're doing today. Now we're taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. The Bling Boss one, I do believe it is. I'll put it in. And we're tapping on the tan in there as well as the beige. Now we have the matte book by the Crayon case. I'm using a couple of colors in there. And the burgundy in here. We're just blending colors together. That's all. Smoking it out on the end. And then this is a glitter mix that I mixed with, which is like purple, gold, and a couple of other colors. And we're using the duo glue. I'm only going to use it on the crease, like the beginning crease. And that's it. Just needed a little pop. Then we're going in with the Putty primer. Then we're going to be using the foundation, which is the Fenty Pro Filter, the hydrating one, in the color 440. And then to highlight, we're going to use Toffee by LA Girl Pro. And again, focusing on one side. This is the Sacha Cosmetics Buttercup powder, setting powder. I wanted it to be a little bit more brighter today, so setting it. Then we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer palette to contour. And as usual, go in with the Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder all over, just to melt it all in. Okay, so this is the Black Radiance Black Velvet Liner, and we're gonna wing it as usual. Alright, so this is some random lashes that I got from Aliexpress. Not sure of any numbers or anything, but they're pretty. And then we're going to do our waterline with a black liner. And then smudge it out with the same colors from the lid. I got one of the shimmers out of the Bling Boss palette to put in my inner corner and on my brow bone. I know I did a whole lot, but what I did was cut half of the Teddybear's face, the right corner actually, just to put over my eye and have the ear attached. We're going to use some Elmer's clear glue, and we're going to glue it to our face. Now I have bobby pins at the top to stick in my hair and then glue on the face part. I wish I would have used a different glue, but you know, I made it work, okay? So we're going to try to make it look like it's a half teddy bear, half beauty glam. And yeah, I'm struggling, but somehow I got it. The cotton on my chin is from the inside of the teddy bear that I cut up. And then I got some fake blood from Amazon. So the blood, I put it all around the cotton and on top of it, so it looked like it was like snatched out of the teddy bear. And then on the edge of the teddy bear's face that I added to my face, I'm adding blood around the edges as well, just to make it kind of creepy, kind of gory, but still okay, if that makes sense. Adding a little on the top of it too, so it's just messy. And yes, this blood is messy, just a warning. Alright, so we're going in with the MAC Chestnut Liner for the lips. I really need to get another one. Then this WetNWild liquid Catsuit lippy in the color Nudest Peach. Then I dipped the brush inside of the MAC lipstick color called Cyber, and then I lined my lips again, and then all done. And I want to thank again you guys for tuning in, sticking and rocking with me. Welcome newbies. And if you love what you see, like, comment, subscribe, and follow my social medias. The name on everything is Miss Brand New. And if you only like the makeup only, then just go to IG and type in brandnew_beauty. And that's all, folks. More to come. Peace out.